Living in a bustling urban environment like Houston can be exciting, but it often comes with a downside: noise pollution. From the hum of traffic to the chatter of city life, unwanted noise can invade the peace and quiet of your home. In Houston's vibrant urban areas, reducing noise pollution becomes crucial for enhancing comfort and quality of life. One effective solution many homeowners overlook is window replacement. Modern windows can dramatically decrease noise levels, turning your home into a quieter, more peaceful sanctuary. The problem of noise pollution in Houston, Texas, is a thriving metropolis where residents are surrounded by constant noise. The city is home to heavy traffic, construction projects, airports, and busy commercial areas. This continuous noise can have a detrimental effect on your health and well-being. Studies have linked high levels of noise pollution to increased stress, difficulty sleeping, and even higher risks of heart disease. For families, working professionals, or anyone who values peace at home, reducing noise can vastly improve living conditions. How window replacement helps. When you think about noise pollution, your first thought might not be the windows in your home. However, your windows can significantly impact the level of noise that enters your living space. Standard single-pane windows or older, worn-out windows offer little to no insulation against sound, allowing unwanted noise to filter through and disturb your peace. Replacing these windows with modern, energy-efficient options can substantially reduce sound transmission, creating a quieter environment inside your home. Soundproofing features of modern windows. Today's windows are designed with noise reduction in mind. Double or triple pane windows, often referred to as insulated windows, feature multiple layers of glass with gas-filled spaces between them. These layers serve as barriers that absorb and block sound waves, making it harder for external noise to penetrate the home. Additionally, many modern windows come with specialized acoustic glass or laminated glass options designed specifically to dampen sound. Advanced frame materials. The frame of your windows also plays a role in noise reduction. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite window frames are typically more effective at sealing gaps than traditional wood frames. A better seal means fewer pathways for sound to enter your home. The materials used in modern window frames are not only more energy efficient but also help to reduce sound transfer. Proper installation and sealing. Even the most advanced window won't perform at its best if it's not installed correctly. Ensuring that your windows are installed with tight seals around the edges is key to blocking outside noise. Professional installation guarantees that your windows are properly fitted and sealed, making them more effective at reducing noise pollution. Benefits of replacing windows in Houston. Enhanced peace and quiet. The most immediate benefit of replacing your windows is the reduction of unwanted noise from the outside world. Whether you live near a busy street, an airport, or a construction zone, high-quality windows can cut down on the noise that disrupts your day-to-day life. This is particularly important for residents living in Houston's urban areas, where noise is a constant issue. A quieter home leads to better relaxation, improved focus, and more restful sleep. Improved energy efficiency. In addition to reducing noise, modern windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. They help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature by reducing drafts and preventing heat loss. During Houston's hot summers and mild winters, energy-efficient windows can reduce your reliance on air conditioning and heating, ultimately lowering your energy bills. You'll enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home while saving money. Increased property value. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, window replacement is a smart investment. Prospective buyers are likely to be impressed by energy-efficient, noise-reducing windows, as they enhance both comfort and long-term savings. This upgrade can increase your property's market value, making it an attractive selling point in Houston's competitive housing market. Why choose a professional window replacement service? While window replacement may seem like a simple DIY project, it's best left to professionals. A reputable window replacement company will not only help you select the best windows for noise reduction but also ensure that they are properly installed to maximize their effectiveness. With their expertise, you can enjoy the full benefits of a quieter, more energy-efficient home. Conclusion. Living in Houston's vibrant urban areas doesn't mean you have to sacrifice peace and quiet at home. Window replacement is a highly effective way to reduce noise pollution and enhance your comfort. With the right materials and professional installation, modern windows can offer substantial noise reduction, increase energy efficiency, and even boost your property's value. If you're tired of hearing the constant buzz of city life and long for a more peaceful living environment, it may be time to consider window replacement as a smart solution for your home.